Hi, my name is Marco Bonelli. I'm representing in the US Sarto. Sarto is a 50 years old frame building company out of Italy, out of Venice, in the northeast of Italy. And I want to introduce to the US market our product. Let's start with the company. The company is run by the patriarch, Antonio Sarto. He's 82 years old, and his son, Enrico. They are not extremely known in the industry because they worked behind the scenes and they, throughout the 50 years story of their company, they supplied major historical Italian companies like Torpado, Atala, later Pinarello, Moser, Fondriest, currently Guerciotti, Bottecchia, and so on. We are trying to import their product to the US using for the first time ever the Sarto's brand. And we try to react to the Chinese tsunami that destroyed basically the Italian industry in the last 15-20 years. And we try to start a new Italian renaissance because frame building, we think that is an Italian art, and we like to bring it back and to make sure that it's going to be successful again. I would like to walk you through our products, and I would like to start talking about the process of making frames. We making frames with the technique, the tube-to-tube technique. Basically, tubes are being glued. Sarto was one of the first in Italy to transition from steel to carbon fiber, and he was the first one to use the technique of wrapping. In Italian is called fasciatura, which means exactly wrapping. And basically the whole process consists in gluing the tubes, wrapping, which is very important, and through the wrapping, the stress areas, especially around the joints of the frames, are extremely resistant, extremely thick, and that is one of the main difference with a monocoque frame, which is equally thick all over the frame. And it makes it quite fragile, especially in the stress areas. And we offer a highly customized products. We have 4 groups of products. We offer a super customized products, which means that we offer 3 levels of customizations. One level is geometry, one level is the measurement, and the additional level is the shape of tubes. We offer a menu of tubes, and the clients can choose their favorite kind of tubes, and so we can have a multiple combination of tubes that gives you a real tailor-made frame, which is unique for the rider who picks those tubes. And besides a super customized product, we offer several customized frames, which have just 2 levels of customization, geometry and measurements. We have an example here. This is a very stiff and fast bicycle, which is the Vipera. The Vipera means viper, and you can see the graphics that resemble a viper, which is a quite common snake in Italy. And this bike, the purpose of this bike is to be really aggressive and really, and bites exactly like a vipera, like a viper. I want to show you also a few other frames. This is a cyclocross frame, and this is a track frame. This is a stock frame that we call Leggera. The frame is about 850 grams, and we offer also a group of products that are just for TT and time trial and triathlon. We sponsor a couple of world-class triathletes, and you can see the Liger, which is the triathlon brand, and is also the concept of the building of this bike is the same one that I illustrated for the road frames. And then finally I want to show to you the Classica. This is a stock frame. This is a horizontal geometry frame. And this is a pure old school classic frame, and is 100% Italian blood, and we really proud of this bike, because we think that this one represents better all the Italian style we try to revitalize here in the United States. I think this overview was enough to introduce you to Sarto. We hope to be helpful to you in the future. You can reach us directly through our site www.sartocycles.com, or throughout our network of dealers we are currently trying to establish in the US, in the Northeast, as well as on the West Coast. And that's is pretty much everything for Sarto Cycles.